Sa 1987 Constitution fixed at 24, ito kasi yung composition niya, ibig sabihin pabago-bago ang numero kung ilan ang senador na pwede mong i-elect noong 1935 Constitution. Sana maintindihan nyo ha, para ma-realize nyo kung ano ang malaking pagkakaiba. The Senate composition in the 1935 Constitution is changing. Ibig sabihin, they are not just 24, pwedeng maging 25, pwedeng maging 26. Pabago-bago. It is a continuing body, tapos 1/3 ang elected every 2 years. Pero nung 1987 Constitution, yung composition o yung number ng senators nagbago na. Naging 24 na lang, fixed. Okay? Fixed yung number. Non-continuing, 12 elected every 3 years. So kalahati ang ine-elect every 3 years. Nakita nyo, ibang-iba na. Di ba? Quorum definition nung 1935 Constitution, majority of each house. Yan ang nakalagay. Di ba? Siyempre, majority yung ating pinag-uusapan pag quorum. Interpreted flexibly based on actual seated members. Bakit flexible yung kanilang interpretation ng quorum? Because the Senate composition is changing. Pero sa 1987 Constitution, because we have a fixed number of senators which is already 24.